Looking for the perfect route for your root canal preparation? Navigate safely and save time through your endodontic treatment with the CanalPro Jeni Endo Motor from COLTENE. The innovative software navigates autonomously through the canal and guides you through the mechanical and chemical treatment. Analog was yesterday. Go digital with Jeni. Select your 9-tie file system in the preparation program and prepare at constant speed and light pressure to apical. The motor decides autonomously on rotary motion and speed. Pecking is eliminated. The CanalPro Jeni monitors the mechanical preparation process and gives an acoustic signal when thorough irrigation and chemical cleaning are required, thus supporting long-term treatment success. The integrated apex locator enables continuous and precise measurement of the working length during the entire root canal preparation in real time. As soon as the apex is reached, one can switch to the next file in the sequence. Overloading of 9-tie files is difficult to detect and can lead to unexpected file breakage with conventional motors. The CanalPro Jeni checks the load on the file and so helps to avoid fatigue breakage. An acoustic signal requests replacement. Latrogenic problems during root canal treatment pose a particular challenge. Using the revolutionary CanalPro Jeni reduces the risks considerably. Preparation of the root canal is completed in a very short space of time and can be obturated. Safe, efficient, and visionary. Root canal preparation with the CanalPro Jeni by COLTENE.